Start off this half hour focusing on recovery after Ian. Tonight, Fox 4 has learned insurance industry experts are expecting thousands of homeowners in Southwest Florida with those insurance claims so likely to get denied in the coming weeks as we approach the holidays.
Yeah, our investigative journalist Ryan Kruger is breaking down these numbers. And Ryan, people should be hearing from their insurance companies soon. I'm sure they're waiting for this.
Yeah, that's because state law says insurance providers have 90 days to either approve or deny your claim. As of today, it has been 64 days since Ian hit. More than 130,000 people, they've already had their claims denied. And if the current trend holds, tens of thousands more could be denied in the coming weeks.
When Hurricane Ian rammed into Southwest Florida, bringing 150-mile-per-hour winds and 18 feet of storm surge in some places, it caused billions of dollars worth of damage. Now, thousands of homeowners are having to figure out, was it the wind or the flooding?
In the case of Hurricane Ian, we may see more complex issues, specifically the issue of whether the damage to your home was a wind-related loss or a flood-related loss.
To find out how many denials we could see after Hurricane Ian, I pulled the numbers from the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation from both Hurricane Irma and Hurricane Michael. With Michael, there were nearly 160,000 claims, with only 14% being denied. With Irma, of the 1.1 million claims, nearly a third, more than 300,000 people, were denied by their insurance companies. To learn more, I turned to Mark Friedlander with the nonprofit that helps people understand insurance called the Insurance Information Institute.
Is there any reason between those two storms why you're seeing such a big discrepancy?
Similar to what we may see with Hurricane Ian, Hurricane Irma back in 2017 had many claims where the determination was made it was a flood loss versus a wind loss.
Which experts like insurance lawyer Gina Clausen-Lozier recommend you research your policy.
I've had a lot of calls after Ian where they said, oh, well, the agent told me I had this coverage, or the agent said I had flood coverage, and then you realize that they don't.
Lozier tells me she's already hearing from people who have been approved, but the payout isn't what they were expecting.
We're also seeing initial underpayments, short payments, going out and issuing payment for the undisputed damages, but not necessarily the full extent of the damages or the estimate at this point.
So if you are denied or you feel like you're being underpaid by your insurance, experts recommend first you file an appeal with your insurance company. You can also file a complaint with the State Division of Consumer Services. And finally, you could take them to court. In fact, the insurance group that you heard from earlier, called the III, they are estimating there could be anywhere from $10 to $20 billion in litigation costs due to Hurricane Ian. Ryan Kruger, Fox 4 Investigates.